everyone, Emmet here. Please be aware that we are about to present the triple-decker flying couch for the first time to an assembly of master builders. They may be unable to control their excitement. Fellow master builders, I present to you my latest invention, the triple-decker flying couch.
Is everyone ready? Let the competition begin!
Yay! Let's go!
I should point out that this is my first time flying. Also, this will be the first time this vehicle has been tested in flight, so there may be some turbulence. Sorry! Oh, you ever tried moving a couch? Try flying one. Sorry about that. Let's try this.
Goodbye, Emmet. Follow me.
Hey! We're flying! And we're flying.
Great!
Cool invention, but it's not as cool as my spaceship! Go blow!
Unity, the two are back! Okay, we're okay. We're all fine.
I just finished rebuilding this place!
You get a flat Cuckoo and falling ahead!
Emmet! Get these people out of here!
I should have had an extra cannon and more cup holders.
Little sailors, under attack! Oh, left and right! You want right? Left and right. You must get the gas to safety. Head for that cave!
Okay.
That one!
Hang on, everyone. Finally, extreme peaceful setting.
We be battling terrible enemies! Little kids! Get away! Get off me! Blam, 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 blam!
Oh, what's ye, MetalBeard?
May ye have smooth sailing ahead! Scan, scan, leave my food.
Asteroid! Haha! We made it! Wow! That is the coolest thing I've ever seen! Oh no! Too low!
Don't worry, I got this! Let's race ya!
They've got us in a tractor beam!
Here, take my hyperdrive! Let's get out of here!
Awesome, Betty!
Head out!
Oh no! Why are we stopping? I think they're trying to help. Let's make it awesomer! Hey! We made it! That was awesome!
We have voted, and the winning invention is the triple-decker couch!
Everything's awesome! Everything's
We also enjoyed the singing of that song since we just managed to get it out of our heads.
Congratulations, Emmet! You did it!
We did it! Thanks for everything, Master Builders. And remember, your world is what you make it. Build something incredible!